So bye.
Bye.
Hello everybody. Hello V Squares. How are you all doing? You are all welcome to my space again. In case this is your first time stopping by, my name is Vera Ikwa. You're welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing. And to you all my returning subscribers, my amazing returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to watch me. I appreciate your love. I see all your likes, your comments, everything. Thank you all so much. So today I'm live in my kitchen and I'm going to be arranging my kitchen cabinets. They look like a total mess at the moment, and it's good for me to do it, to sort it out. I woke up today and I feel motivated, inspired, to take the chance to just sort out my kitchen cabinet, arrange them. I love to see everything in my cabinet in order. But for the past months or so, everything is just up and down, and I'm not loving it. I like when my things are in order. So I thought of taking you guys along. Somebody might get inspired to get up and also sort out their own cabinet. So I will take you guys with me today, okay? I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So let's get started. I'll be showing you guys how the cabinets are looking like right now. So let's start. This is cabinet number 1. So this is cabinet number 1. This is how cabinet number 1 is looking like. Look how messy it looks, guys. This is shameful, seriously. So this is how number 1 cabinet looks like. And this is cabinet number 2. See how everything is everywhere. This is not me. Very messy. I'm disappointed. So let's get sorted. Let's get it sorted right now. Okay, now I've wiped everything. I'm going to be putting them back. Look at my crayfish, they are all finished. This is all what is left. And my crayfish goes here. I just finished arranging cupboard number 1. You can see now. Can you see how arranged it looks now? So neat. See from the top. Well arranged. Looks more organized now, and you can find what you're looking for easily. This section I have my Maggi, my salt, my sauces, and then here I have crayfish, some seasoning. Here I have my tomatoes and pasta, and then here I have all my powder dry seasoning, and then up there I have some jangsa, my bean bag. I put my bean bag right up here so baby girl doesn't reach. And then here I have my beans and corn. So yeah, this is cabinet number 1 done. Oh god, it's so hard to film this. Okay, cabinet number 1 done. Time to move on to cabinet number 2. You can see how messy it looks, so wait for the finished look. Alright fam, here cabinet number 2 is done. Look at how everything is looking so good. I even have more space now. You can see I added my cokes, eggs in this cabinet now. Like, oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. It's looking well organized now. These are all the rubbish I've gathered from my house from cleaning. These are all the rubbish I'm going to be throwing away. So right now we are done with everything cleaning. I'm going to show you guys how the kitchen looks like. Like, I'm so proud of myself. And baby girl is here. Say hello. Say hello. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't. So this is the outcome. I finished arranging my cabinet and I just tidied my whole kitchen area. You can see how sparkling my kitchen is looking. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope this inspires somebody to get up and clean their kitchen and arrange the cabinets. I love you guys. Bye.